Hi everybody, welcome to Cart's Toy Review. So I got Venomized Iron Man and Happy the Freak Hogan. First we gotta take a look at the box. Let's start with Happy the Freak Hogan. Let's take a look at the box. On the back you got Rest of the Wave, and I already have an Infinity Captain Carter. Top of the pop, barcode if you need it. Let's take him out. And here he is. He's a bobblehead as usual. Some nice bubbling action there, although. So let's see. He lost his hair. He has red veins over here. And he has the black terror pants. And this is from the Christmas episode of What If. And here's the 360 view. And I've been waiting for this a long time. It is the Venomized Iron Man, of course. 360 view time. Number 365. And here's the rest of the gang. So I already have Carnage. Top of the pop. Barcode if you need it. Let's take him out. Here he is. He has the red thrusters like he's blasting off. Like a zombie MODOK. He has spikes coming out of the head. Out of the body. Oh, and Bellatrix is in here. And he has the chrome Venom eyes. And he has that mouth. And Bellatrix, come out the table. Come on. Come on. He has spikes coming out of the head. And it has Spider Symbiote logo on it. And of course, bobblehead. But you gotta give it a shake. You gotta give it a shake. .360 view on him. So here are my two Happy the Freak Hogan and Venomized Iron Man Funko Pops. Give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and comment who's your favorite Funko Pop. And I will see you next time. Bye!